Minus 1 is a member of an arithmetic sequence with Tn equals minus 3n plus 11. Find n. So we're just looking for the position. So we'll simply go write your Tn. This is your presentation in the exam. Substitute the Tn with the minus 1. Take the 11 to the other side, becomes a negative. Minus 12 equal to minus 3n. Divide both sides by minus 3. N equal to 4. So that means n is member number 4 of the sequence. Okay. So yeah, let's stop it there. The sequence is actually, I'll write it down. Can I ring? 8. It starts at 8, yeah. It says 8, then 5, then 2, then minus 1. So it starts at 8 and then a minus 3 there. I get a 5, a minus 3 there, I get a 2, minus 3 there, I get a minus 1. So you guys can clearly see that that is member number 4. Super proud of you. So now we're going to do, or rather this section we're going to have now. Remember that the class ends at 2. The class is 2 hours. It ends at 2, but I want to end it at 1:30 if you guys are happy, but it ends at 2. But I want to go ahead and teach you something that's very important. You guys remember that with maths, they'll teach you the basics, and then in the exam, you see something that you've never seen before, right? So this is the section that you normally get in the exam. I'm about to teach you that now. So you must pay attention. Do not make any notes because what is this? Because everything is recorded. So you can make your own notes after when you rewatch the videos. Okay, this part is very important. So yeah, please pay attention. There's nothing complicated, but yeah, they don't normally teach it at school. So, but you're gonna get it now. So yeah, it's good. If you don't get me, all of you must get me distinctions for March. If you don't get me distinction, I'm gonna sue you. Like for real, I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna take it to the NPA and say, guys, this person, I thought I gave them everything, but hey, they had some other ideas, so I'm gonna sue them. It's just a joke, no? It's a joke, bro. It's just a joke. Yeah. So this is the general term of an arithmetic sequence, also known as the linear sequence. We already established that the A represents the first member, T1, while D represents the constant difference. But I want us to find, someone already knows this, I taught them last week. I want us to find T1. I want us to find T1 without knowing the values of A and D. So I'm going to substitute, in place of N, I'm going to put 1 in this general term, right? So in place of N, I put 1. So that means I'm going to get T1 equals, this will give me 0. Do you guys agree with me? So if I put 0 there, it's going to be 0 times D gives me 0. So therefore, this whole thing will simplify to T1 equal to A. Who doesn't see that? All of you see. Tapang, are you happy? Proper stuff, proper stuff. Okay. Sharp, let's go ahead and find T2. So it's just playing around with this. T2. Let's use a different color so that you guys can see the contrast. T2 equals, rewrite the A as it is. Wherever this N, I put the 2. This simplifies to T2 equal to A plus D times 1. Simplifies to A plus D times 1 is just D. Let's move. Let's go to T3 now. Let's see what we get. T3, we do the same thing there. A plus D. In place of the N, I put 3. This will give us 3 minus 1 is 2, right? So we have 2D. Let us go to T4. See what happens. Let's use black. Black is beautiful. But this is not the black we are. Like this is black, like pitch black. n is the 4 there. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have a plus 3d, right? So now, what pattern, what pattern do you see here? Like between this, and that. What is it that you see? Forget about the first one. This, and that. Isn't there a sort of pattern that you see? Or something that you see? Can be anything. Don't be scared to talk. What is it that you see there? Could be something that we don't see. If you see something that we don't see, it's still fine. You tell me I see this, then it'll be nice, it'll be a discovery, then I'm gonna steal it, I'm joking. But yeah, if you see anything, just tell me if you see. Washale, what do you see? Spontaneous equations, yes. So now basically, ne, look at this, guys, ne? You see what you see is actually beyond. That's proper, but yeah. There's something you guys need to notice, ne? Look at this. For T2, ne? For T2, for the arithmetic sequence, for T2, we have A plus 1D. For T3, we've got A plus 2D. For T4, we've got A plus 3D. You see that this thing, whatever we have here, is 1 less than what we have there. Whatever we have there is 1 less than what we have there. Whatever we have there is 1 less than what we have there. Whatever we have there is 1 less. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1 less, so it's 0. Do you guys see that this expression that we always have 1 less on the D? Do you guys see that? Got if it's T2, it's 1 plus, it's A plus 1D. If it's T3, it's A plus 2D. It's T4, it's A plus 3D. Do you guys see that? All of us? Lulama? Waibwana Fanaka? Um, yes, all of us see it. Okay, proper stuff. So now, so Gorogama Joma, can you guys tell me what is T 100 in terms of A and D? What is T 100? Let's all talk. How to express it? The same express these ones. Tell me immediately without doing any calculation. A plus proper stuff. A plus 990. What about T 37? Oh, no, 30, let's put it this way. T 40 4. A plus. Do not do any calculation. Just tell me immediately. No calculation. You already seen the pattern. Then come on, let's talk. T44 is equal to A plus. Skacha. Is a Jamato 43D. Proper stuff. This is what happens when we just, we don't have the values of A and D, ne? And we just substitute n equal to 1, 2, 3, and whatnot. This is what we get. Who isn't happy, please tell me if you're not happy so that I may explain it again. I want to make sure that we're all on the same wavelength. Physics. I want to make sure that we're all on the same wavelength. All right. The whole class is happy. Proper stuff. So now this is very important, Fanak. So in conclusion, whenever you're dealing with an arithmetic sequence, just know what T1 can be expressed as A. T2 can be expressed as A plus D. T3 can be expressed as A plus 2D. T4 can be expressed as A plus 3D. T 992 can be expressed as A plus 991D. So you just get into the exam knowing what that is the case. You do not cram it. I repeat, you do not cram this. You're able to sort of get it by just substituting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 into this general term of an arithmetic sequence. Delicious. I've got a question for you. I'm gonna write it now. Just give me a second.